Okay, check this out. Congratulations. You just now buried or staked your Shiba Inu or your Leash or even your bone. You staked it. Now you're probably asking yourself, what do I do next? Well, there's a couple of things that I would do after I bury, so let's go ahead and dive into this content. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this Shibaswap tutorial with Adam. You know what? I was sitting over there at the couch and I was thinking, you know what? I want to share some ideas of what I would do. So right now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now, one of the first things I would do, number one, is I will look down here and what's coming up below. So right now, one day, we should start seeing some bone and some Ethereum in about one day. So I'm starting to look at that. Okay, I'm starting to see this. And now, what do I do now? Now I'm starting to plan, what do I do in terms of this? Now remember, 33% of the bone and Ethereum returns will be weekly distributed and available for withdrawal. And the remaining 67% will be locked for 6 months. So if you're staking SHIB, 33% that you can withdraw. So you can withdraw that and do something else with that, whatever the plans are. So this is not financial advice, but think about it. Do you want to leave it in or do you want to withdraw? That's something you got to really think about in terms of your strategy. So that's the first thing I would think. What would be my strategy? Do I leave it in to be staked longer, or do I withdraw it and take those assets, only 33% of that, and do something else with it? Do I go and withdraw it and cash out, or do I go ahead and take that and move it to something else, or do I just leave it in? So that's the exciting part. What do I do? So that's number one. Number two, I'm thinking about is the price of the current asset. SHIB, in my opinion, I'm seeing the price here, and let me go ahead and zoom that up. Woo, zooming that up. So to me, let me go back and go again. To me, the price of SHIB is on sale, in my opinion, not financial advice. I'm not really telling you any financial advice because I'm not a financial planner, but I think this is an opportunity to possibly add more to my portfolio because it's down in price and all across the board, in my opinion, in terms of bone, leash, and SHIB. So number two, I'm thinking, you know what? The price is low right now. This may be an opportunity to buy more of that. So then I would be like, okay, let me go to the swap area. And this is an area where you can buy SHIB, leash, or bone. Then I'll make sure I'm connected properly with the proper wallet. Now, all these three wallets I worked with, and I like them all. My favorite is Coinbase Wallet. One is because I do think SHIB will be listed on Coinbase at some particular time. In my opinion, it'll be easy to me to cash out because my stuff is already in Coinbase Wallet. That's my opinion. So if it's Coinbase Wallet, it's easier to move over to Coinbase Pro and Coinbase.com. That's just my opinion. That's why I like Coinbase Wallet, not because of that strategy. It's because also I can buy other assets within the Shibaswap ecosystem as well as Shiba continues adding in more assets that we can buy. Now, I do like MetaMask and I do like Wallet Connect. They work very, very well. But to me, whenever that time for me to cash out or withdraw, I can just use that Coinbase wallet, move it over to Coinbase.com. And I just think it works very seamlessly. There'll be fees involved in that, yes. And when I get ready to do that, I'll definitely share that. So number two, I'll be looking to buy more assets. I'll be looking to buy SHIB, leash, or bone. So that's number two. The third thing is, is that now I'm thinking about, well, if I buy more SHIB, leash, or bone, now what do I do with that? Let's say I buy some more SHIB and I buy maybe about 2 million SHIB using this strategy, using the swapping area. Because remember, this is an area that you can buy assets now. I'm thinking about digging those SHIB now. I may be thinking about digging. That's number 3. Now, SHIB is on sale, in my opinion. Then now I'm thinking about, well, let me think about digging. So if I'm thinking about digging SHIB, I'm going to go to Wolf and find a pairing. I'm going to find a pairing where I can go ahead and put money into a liquidity pool or to a pool and start earning some bone. So if I say, you know what, I'm going to get some SHIB. I'm going to buy some SHIB. And if to me, I'm like, okay, SHIB and Ethereum would make sense to me because I got to get Ethereum. I'm thinking about that. Or I'm thinking about the SHIB and bone pairing, which is a kind of a new pairing that just got released about a week ago. I'm thinking about a SHIB and bone pairing. That's what I'd be thinking about. I'll probably be thinking about that one because they both are low price right now. And so I can pair them up and then I can start adding liquidity and start earning bone. And so that's what I'll be thinking about. And currently right now, I'm earning 71 bone automatically using this strategy. 71. I've got some already set up in there. And also I have a spreadsheet that's tracking my progress. Now I'm doing this because, let me go back to it. I'm doing this because I like to track my progress until the bone folio, until we see what that is. I'm going to track my progress in a spreadsheet. Now the bone folio may have more data in there where it's tracking all your processing. I'm excited to see what that is. I don't know at this particular time, but I'm going to track my progress. But anyway, I will be looking to, number 3, looking to dig and wolf to earn more bone, because to me it's at a low price. I would pair probably SHIB and bone together. I would add more to there. I would look at my budget and see if I can add more SHIB or bone, and I would just do that. That's the number 3 thing I would do. And number 4 thing is just be patient. The 4th thing is be patient. It's just be patient and just wait. Sometimes waiting is the best formula. Sometimes not doing anything at all is the best formula. That's what the 4 steps I would do after I actually stake or bury my actually SHIB or bone or even my actually leash. That's what I would do in the meantime. So follow those steps right there. It's going to be okay. To me, the most important, to be honest with you, is step 4, is being patient. Because if you already buried all your stuff already, you just got to wait to see what happens when this actually comes into fruition. And just wait. Maybe you don't need to add any more SHIB or bone or leash. Maybe you don't need to dig a wolf to earn more bones, at least at this time. So that's a couple of things you can do. It's going to be just fine. This is exciting times. I understand the price is going down, but when the price is going down, it's a knock on the door. I can smell opportunity. I can smell the opportunity when I see the prices going down. I'm sitting here thinking, looking at my budget and seeing, okay, what can we do now? Not necessarily financial advice, but it's just something I'm sharing with you. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Thank you for hitting that bell notification when I do videos just like this. Don't worry about it. We're going to be just fine. Tomorrow, we'll see what happens. And the next day, we'll see what happens. So anyway, go back and watch this video a couple of times if you have to. And then don't forget, I've got some links in the description box of how you can buy SHIB or bone or sign up for any type of situation that's going to help you grow every single day. All right, I'll see you in the next video on this SHIB tutorial. I'll see you tomorrow.